For many young people nowadays, Easter and Christmas are the two times of the year when they still go to Mass. But for the guys I'm meeting this morning, that's far from the case. They've made going to Mass a weekly event.
My name is Luke Doogue and we're here in Balchin. We're just outside the town here in Balchin in the great townland of Clough. We have Stephen Patterson and Dylan Byrne. It started around the kitchen table and we were just chatting about the 12 pubs. I was off to do my usual ritual of the 12 pubs, and we had been playing with the idea of going to Mass and christened it the 12 churches. And we started the 22nd of November. It was 2024, and we checked the parish leaflet to see where we could start. Grange Con was the first stop, and after Grange Con we just said, you know what, let's keep it going. We have been to about 50 different churches, 90 different masses. We've been to, provinces-wise, we haven't done too badly. We've got 2 out of the 4, so not bad. We've been to Sligo, we've been to Dublin, we've done a lot of Wicklow, most of Carlow, good few in Kildare. We haven't ventured into Wexford or Kilkenny yet, but there's so many to cover. You do loads of them in the 3 or 4 counties we really have been to.
We've been all over. We've been to length and breadth of the country. We've been up to Dublin a couple of times. We've been to St Mary's Cathedral in Dublin it was the 800th anniversary of St Lawrence O'Toole's canonization from Castlelairn Parish, and there was a brilliant choir there. That's one that sticks out to me. I'd be big on a bit of music, so the choir there was unbelievable.
It's part of your weekly routine, it could be 30 minutes of just reflection, and you're just with your thoughts. It's peaceful. It'll definitely do me no harm anyway, I suppose.
And after so many masses in so many different churches, the lads are very well qualified to say what makes a good one.
I'd say the congregation. For me, I like a short mass, and to come out and see all, in Balchin, you see all the people you know and all the good characters, and get and have a chat with them after.
I'm going to go with the Nicene Creed. That's a big one. Apostles' Creed just doesn't do it for me. Then you have priests that we offer each other the sign of peace.
A friendly face, you automatically, feel at home nearly. Even though we're away from our home parish in Balchin so much, you see those familiar faces and the smiles. That makes you feel at home.
What's the best duration for a Mass?
The Mass length, the shortest we had was 25 minutes in Knockannana. We were there one morning, 11:30, and we were going to Aughrim afterwards. Then we've had a few 26s, 27s, 28s, 29s. 30s kind of ranges between 35 to 37 minutes is where you'd get your best window. And we've had north of 40, upwards as close to an hour.
And the homily?
The homily, yeah, you don't want it to drag on too long, but if it's interesting, if you're intrigued by it and you're paying attention.
Well, it is short and quick, I would say, and to be just relatable, is a big help too.
If the congregation are able to if you can bring the gospel into it and the congregation are still able to relate, it's perfect. And you don't feel like you're sitting there, when are we going to profess our faith? Because then after 6 minutes, you're ready to get up and do it.
Well, I must say I can remember the very first day I went out to the church and the 3 lads were sitting. I said, what are they doing here? And the following week I was in a different church and looking out the sacristy window, and I see the 3 boys again. I said, what's going on? You don't see many of their contemporaries going, but what they're doing is they're coming together, they're having a bit of fun, they're having time out. It's not that they're holy Joes, they're far from it.
It's not a case of going to Mass and just offloading.
No. Afterwards, if there's something like this on, we'd always go in for the chat afterwards. Or we'll go to a coffee shop, whatever's local, get a roll, sit down, have something to eat, have a chat, and then head on home about your day.
I really think they're great lads, and it gives me encouragement, because I think there are a lot more of the Lukes and the Stephens and the Dylans out there, like them as well. And I think by this, I think this message, that it will be heard more from them than from the likes of me. And all I can do is encourage and say, well done lads, and just keep going. And if it does something for their lives, whatever it does, gives meaning or helps them to keep going with that, then that's what it's about.
At the start, we've no problem saying people thought we were mad. What are they doing? They're 17, 18, 19 years of age, and here they are going to mass. What are they doing this for? Why? And the people thinking we were doing it for brownie points, but when we kind of explain it, it's, oh, we've just decided we'd do something different. Why not? And people are kind of like, do you know what? Yeah, doesn't sound like a bad idea. God, geez, this is something unusual, something different. It's actually cool. And when you think about it like that, it's great.